I'm sure to you guys it looks like we're surrounded by a lot of lumber here.
And we kind of are, but this lumber didn't start out that way. We cut these boards from just a few pieces. So we're gonna show you how you can build a faux hanging bench with only 2 1x10x8s, 5 1x4x8s, 5 2x4x8s, and a 2x8.
You're also gonna need hardware and leather straps. Click the link below, we'll tell you all the information on that. Now let's get off our booties and go build it.
The first step of this build is super easy. We're just gonna build a box with 2x8 boards. This is gonna be the box that is underneath the bed that makes it appear that it's floating.
We've already made all of our cuts and we've also done our pocket holes. These are 1.5-inch pocket holes and we're gonna be attaching these using 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. Don't forget to download the free plans. You don't have to memorize all this. We have it all on our website, ShanyToChic.com.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is attach the side pieces to the long front and back pieces, and we're gonna do that with wood glue and 2.5-inch pocket hole screws.
Which way do we want our pocket holes facing, Ash?
We want them facing the inside because you might see these pocket holes if you were to look underneath the bench.
Where'd you get this fun idea?
Well, our friend Amanda asked us to help her renovate her new jewelry shop, and she said one of the things that she really wanted was a place for people to come and sit and have coffee. And I thought, what better place to sit and have coffee than on a floating bench? We love everything floating. And obviously we're not gonna have a floating bench because the wall wouldn't support something like that, so this is gonna be a faux floating bench.
It's actually faux hanging and she keeps calling it floating, but it's not actually floating.
Hanging.
She really wants it to be floating, but it's not gonna be.
It's kind of floating.
It's not floating.
Kind of.
It's mounted to the wall and sitting on something. It's not floating. So now we are setting these pieces on top of our other long board. We're gonna attach those the same with wood glue and pocket hole screws.
And the beauty of this bench is not gonna be in like the finished build. It's actually in all the pieces that you add to it to make it appear that it's hanging.
Yeah, this one you'll actually look at when we're done and think, oh, that's great. But then when you
Awesome.
see it on the wall,
You built
hey,
a box.
pause. We don't have safety glasses on.
Oh, it's Whitney's fault.
My bad.
She said, hey, we're not gonna wear safety glasses this time. We're just gonna be cool.
Sometimes when you're working with inexpensive framing lumber, it can get a little bit warped, and so you'll need to maneuver your boards and place them differently just to get everything lined up. You can use a clamp too. We like to call it a Shany clamp. All right, box is done. What's next?
Next, we're going to attach these 2x4 slats to the top of the box. We're gonna start at either end, and we're going to attach them with 2.5-inch wood screws.
All right, and why are we using such heavy lumber on this?
Well, this is the base, and all the weight's going to be on top of this box, and the 2x boards are a lot more inexpensive than the 1x boards.
All right, what's next?
All right, box is done. We're gonna set this aside.
She's a beauty.
Now we're gonna build the frame for the actual mattress. I designed this frame based on the measurements of this crib mattress that you can find on Amazon. We're gonna add the link to the description box below.
So a lot of people have crib mattresses because once their babies move out of them, what do you do with them?
What?
You go build a faux hanging bench. That's what you do, people.
Faux show.
Now, we're using wood glue. If Ashley will pass it to me. We're gonna use wood glue and 2.5-inch pocket hole screws through our pocket holes to build this part.
Okay, now we're going to join the two pieces together.
I love awkward angles.
How do you keep your butt out of the camera and look like you know how to use a drill? Okay, stand by. I shouldn't be out of breath. Okay. All right, 15 5/8. And of course, you can always have our plans on your smartphone. More weird angles. Now we're gonna add a few cross supports. These are gonna go in the center. There you go. Main frame is done. Now it's time to attach this frame to the box. So we'll bring the box over and we're going to use strong tie angles, which are framing angles, to attach it to this frame.
And we're flushing it up with this side?
Yes, because that's gonna be against the wall.
Gotcha.
We've got these framing angles, 4 of them, and we're going to place them inside, just like this. One there, and one there. And we're going to use 1 1/4 inch wood screws to attach them. Okay. Frame is attached to the box, and now it's time to put the slats on top of the box.
These are 1x4 boards that we've already cut to size, and we're attaching them with wood glue and nails, and they're gonna be spaced evenly along this frame.
Okay, last slat is on. Now our final step in this assembly is to just add the side and the front pieces so that it covers all of this mess.
And these are going to overhang the top of these slats by 1 inch. So we're gonna line those up, and we'll go ahead and mark 1 inch on the inside. That way we know where we're lining them up at. 1 inch, another mark over here. Make sure we're straight.
And we're gonna use wood glue and 1 1/4 inch brad nails. Okay, I'm gonna attach my side right here. Make sure I'm 1 inch over. That's not going anywhere. Side pieces are on. Now we're going to attach the front piece, and we're gonna do that with wood glue and 1 1/4 inch brad nails. We're not adding a back piece because this is gonna be up against a wall.
Here, I'll hold this side
right.
for you if you want to grab the nailer. Let the camera guy hold the other side for you for a second. Thanks, Steve-O.
Okay, front piece is on, bed's done, now it's time for the mattress. So this is my favorite part of this project. This crib mattress is what I designed this entire bench around. And it comes shipped to your house just like this.
And it's only $39.
We're gonna add a link in the description box below. You ready for the moment of truth? Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna watch this explode.
I don't know about explode.
It's gonna explode, okay? They usually go pretty fast.
Could not be worth the hype. Sometimes they say to let them sit for like 48 hours too to gain their shape. What a great idea.
Come on, guys, grow.
So we'll let this air out just a little bit. That was a little anticlimactic. So we're gonna let this gain its shape, and we are gonna take it to our friend Amanda's jewelry shop.
We're gonna add a coat of stain, and then we're gonna hang some beautiful iron hooks to the wall, hang some leather straps from that, and attach them to this bench to make it look like it's hanging. It's gonna be so cool.
Yeah, and don't forget the cute pillows. That's gonna be just the icing on the cake. This is gonna be adorable. And you want to see all the other pieces that we built for Amanda's shop renovation, make sure you subscribe below so that you can watch everything.